Hi guys, so spend a Sunday with us today guys, and most probably me because I'm the one who is on camera, of course. So guys, today I'm going to tell you how we separated with hubby for 2 weeks. But before we get that, I want to arrange my kitchen, like reset, because I cleaned a lot of utensils yesterday and I didn't manage to. I let them dry. I don't like to wipe. So I'm going to arrange that with me, arrange the kitchen with me. Then I tell you the story. But before that, rate my outfit.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
These are all the utensils. I cleaned. These are all my utensils. Okay, some are dirty, which I'll clean up later. But first, I want to wipe these. They belong here.
And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Just clean wiped the kitchen drawers. I wait them to dry, then I'm on lunch break, so I see you later. So guys, we ordered Domino's pizza. We wanted to taste. We have never tasted it, so we want to review it to see the difference between the Domino's and the Pizza Inn. So let's do this. It's good. It's just pizza. So let me finish, then we meet in the kitchen, guys.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too.
I'm done eating, so let's get to work.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Guys, I can't wait, and I'm almost done. So I want to clear these utensils here, and then I'll wash this thing here, because I want to set my spoons. So I don't have, this kitchen has no drawer, so this is how I managed to put the spoons. So I want to set them here. Yeah, it can fit so well. And then as these dry up, yeah, I want to clean this thing. It has been down here for a while, so I need to clean it now.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, eyes closed.
So guys, what do you think? I'm done with the hard part is done. Just now the story. So I'm going to add this. There's no use now, because I figured I can put this all here instead of putting this spoon holder on the microwave. It's better here. So I guess that's how the kitchen looks like. Let's get to the story. So guys, are you ready? Are you ready? So this is what happened. Coming to tell you this story, actually it's funny at this time, but at that moment I didn't feel like it was. But let's get to it. So it happened so fast. So we were not legally married by that time, but now we are. So it happened that, okay, it was me, I was the problem. You see this song. So guys, the reason why I'm telling you this story first, it's because some of my friends comes to my inbox and they're like, oh my god, Millie, I want this marriage, like it looks so perfect, no fighting. You don't know what happens in marriages. It's not like it's not a bed of roses. It's just that how you work things out with your partner, and you recognize when you know that the both of you are not perfect and you are going to just perfect it. Like you are not perfect, so that's when you will be on the same page. Yeah, it's not like we don't argue or something. If that's what people show you what they want you to know. We can't post when we are fighting, we can't post when we are sad. Actually, I don't post even when we have argued a lot. You can't see me posting anything that will make you feel like these people are fought. No, I don't do that. I just wait for us to sit down and talk things out. Yeah, that's what happened. So here is the story, guys. I hope you enjoyed this and you learned that this is just a small detail of how marriage is. So I hope you learn 1, 2, or 3 things. That's the mistakes I did back then, and we still forgive each other because I'm not perfect, he's not perfect. So that's what I want you to know, that there's no perfection in marriage whatsoever. I'm trying to talk perfect English. Anyway, you guys, yeah, so let's continue. I'm the problem, it's me. So yeah, by that time I was so young by that time though. So it happened like I needed more of the outings. I don't know, I'm not a clubbing person. If you know me well, I don't do that so much. I'm not that hype girl. I like to drink in my comfort house and sleep, that all. But again, I wanted like he push me. I wanted him to push me to do those things. And then I don't know, you guys, it happened that I felt like you are getting used to each other, grow old, and I'm like, what if this is it? I think I was just scared by that time. So I told him I'm moving out. And actually I did. I had a little money because I used to work. I had little money. I get the matatu to move out. I went to my best friend's house. You guys, if you're watching this, Laura, that girl has been with me all through craziness. So I took his bed, his mattress, and his meko. If you know meko, it's a small gas cooker. So I took all those things. They were his, and he didn't like it. We were arguing, and I was going. He didn't like it. Then I told him we will talk about this, but first I just want to move. So I do know the reason, guys. I just say that I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. So he said, okay, if that's what you want, it's not far from where I'm going, so fine. So I moved to my friend's house. Then I came back later in the evening. I came to apologize and to try to explain that's what I want. I want like we go out more often. We are starting dating again. That's actually what I wanted. And he couldn't understand how we can do that when I'm in our house. But I just wanted that car freedom. So I went, I was gotten at my best friend's house. She had a big room, she had a big house. It was a single room at that time, so it was so big. So my bed fitted well and all. And then we stayed there. So the funny thing about that house, the house had no network.
Jesus is Lord!
We stayed there and my friend was like, are you sure this is what you want? Deep down, I want him. I love him. I knew I loved him. That time I knew I loved him, and I want him, but in a different way. I couldn't explain up to today. So that's what I could say. I wanted him to search me, I think I wanted the attention. Well, I wanted more of him to like look for me or something like that. So the days went by and my best friend was not as happy for, like, I wanted her to support me, but I like people who will tell you the whole truth about what you are doing. This is not good, Millie, this is it. But you have your time in my house. You know, she used to go to work and come back. I would cook for her. Actually, that made her happy. She loves my food. So but she was like, you need to talk things out with your hubby. So I had this friend of mine, like, I was bored in the house. Like I told you, the house had no network. I'm not an outside person, so I just wanted to stay in the house. But the house with no network, you guys, it was so hard for me. But anyway, I had to. So it happened. I called this friend of mine. I won't say her name. So because I don't know whether she's ready for this, I told her I wanted to go out. You know, you have different types of friends. You know, the the outgoing one, the party girl, the this. So when I'm bored, I used to call her. So I'm sorry. Should I say your name? So yeah, and we went out that day. Actually, we got drunk and then I remember we ate someone's cake outside. There was a birthday party and I was like, can I taste the cake and all? And we ate, we put chocolate in that cake and then I don't know, we left. So we posted so many pics on my WhatsApp and then I think my hubby saw that. So when I got home, since there was no network, he couldn't get me. It was like almost 2 weeks now we haven't spoken and we were just texting with, you know, I didn't know what to tell him, so I was just quiet. So he tried to call me, then I found the missed calls but I couldn't say anything. Then he contacted my best friend now, Laura, and on Facebook. Actually they didn't have each other's number, I guess. And then she explained to him that there's no network in the house and all. But then I came to call him after Laura told me that he was looking for me. So yeah, guys, I called the guy and okay, my husband, and then he was like, should I come or will come? I was like, let me come because I just wanted to change the environment. Like I wanted to go shower with hot shower, and you know, I really do something romantic when I'm going there. So that's why I decided to go. And guys, that day our lives changed for the better because like I wanted more. We came to we talked for hours, you know, and we said I want these things, like going out. We go more of dates to get to know each other. And guys, know that this was before Taraji was not born. So you might wonder where was Taraji at that moment. She was not born. This is 2017 Apple. Yeah, so that's it, guys. So we talked about what we can manage things, how we live, and if I have a problem, instead of moving out, I should like, we sit down, we talk. He's saying the things he wants as well, like not expectations, not conditions. We just flow with life. If we want to do this, we go out. If we want to do this, and deep down back there, guys, I just want to be to stay in the house sometimes, but I want him to like try to go out more, and I wanted him like to push me to do that. And remember, guys, if you have watched How We Met, you'll realize that he used to take me a lot of places, but our dates were far from Nairobi. They were in Mombasa because he used to pay my flights. He's the first person who bought me my ticket, my first flight. It was him. So our dates were just far. Maybe I didn't realize that, but now when I sit down and I feel like, wow, I was crazy, you know. Anyway, that's how marriage is. So we sat down and that day changed everything, because up to now, guys, even when we fight, we just sit down, we talk things out when we are a bit calm. So, and I'm glad those things happen now, because the more you stay with someone, the more you'll keep learning about that person. And you know, if someone is ready to fight for you, someone is ready to go out, to go miles, like to chase you, you know, like he was telling me that he would have even take CID or what they are called said nowadays. Like he wanted to look for me anywhere because he couldn't find me. Like he was like, hey, I have to pay people to just start look for me, you know. So I felt so good about that, and I knew that that was my person. So yeah, guys, if you have that person in your life, no, don't do things like I did. Don't move out because of small arguments. Like for us, they were just petty, especially me. But right now, I've known better. I've known so many things about, and I'm still learning. You know, yeah, we have been together 6 years, so yeah, like I said, this is our 7th year. So yeah, that's what I wanted you to know, guys, and I hope you will love this short story. Yeah, and I see you on our next video. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly hit that subscribe button, and let's get to 3,000, road to 3,000 subscribers. So bye.